Just got this Edible Bites Flavors of Ventura County box. People who love to eat are always the best kind of people. Tammy delivered it. So excited. Open this up. Oh, the spring issue. Yay. These just the new spring issue got delivered to Rincon Brewery Ventura. Didn't know that it was going to come in the box, so super excited I get to see it today. And then let's see, this is the spring box. Edible Bites, Flavors of Ventura County. Welcome to your spring box. Love this, you guys. Totally jazzed about this. And then everything that's in there, information about everything. Let's see, here we have, yay, Mr. Blue Sky Body Bar. Soap. Lip balm. Honey Shine Peppermint Rose Lip Balm. Hibiscus Organic Tea. Super excited for that. Let's see. Ooh, some grain-free granola bites. Lemon blueberry. Very, very cool. Some California Coastal Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Organic. From Buen Gusto Farms. Love that. Here is a lime agave ginseng marine collagen heart health energy lift. That might have to be enjoyed right now. Let's see. What are these? Growing with Nature. These are sunflowers. Yay! So excited. We'll get those planted. And then what is this? Cilantro. And we have a new garden box built by Santa Barbara Bucket Brigade. Got our soil delivered by the two awesome women warriors. We can use those. Honey Shine Salve. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Blue Ridge Honey Ojai Wildflower. Delish. And let's see. Here we have Dawn Patrol Medium Roast Ragamuffin Coffee Roasters. I'm gonna have to share this since neither one of us are coffee drinkers, but I know who I can stoke out on this one. I bet it is amazing. And then, oh, look at this. Some chocolates. Yum. And then have, oh, very cool. Little tote. Edible Ojai Ventura County Eat, Drink, Think bag. How much fun. Thank you, you guys. I love it. So glad that I bought one of these Ventura County edible boxes. And I know that the summer ones are for sale right now, and I know that they sell out. So Edible Bites, Flavors of Ventura County.